Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start at dusk or night when wasps are less active. This reduces risk and increases effectiveness. Put on gloves, long sleeves, and eye protection. You want a barrier in case of a surprise strike. Read the product label now to confirm species and spray range, and keep a flashlight ready for locating the nest entrance. Once done, position yourself upwind and maintain a clear escape route behind you before you approach the nest. You approach slowly until you can clearly see the nest opening, then stop, do not crowd it. From 15 to 20 feet, give a controlled 1 to 3 second full press burst aimed at the entrance to saturate the chamber. This delivers enough product while minimizing exposure. If the insect activity continues, repeat one more time after 10 minutes. Make sure to step back after each spray. Your safety depends on distance and a calm, deliberate rhythm. Instead of you wait and observe the next day to confirm the colony is neutralized before attempting removal. This prevents stings and reinfestation. If you still see persistent activity, reapply at night following the same distance and burst method, or contact a professional for difficult nests. Entrapped or subterranean nests may require experts. If the spray contaminated your clothing, bag and seal it, wash exposed skin, and ventilate the area. This reduces residue exposure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.